Hey, what's going on YouTube? Hold on, let me turn my light on. It's a little bit better. Having an unboxing today from, Omer Greenberg. Yeah, he sent me a pair of Oak Wheels RV Blacks, and I'm going to be sending him $25. And, also I'm going to show you what I have left for my trade video. And, let me go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Hold on 1 second, guys. Hold on, guys. Let me get this out. I'm using my phone here today. The camera's all messed up for some reason. But yeah. Oh, and he did send first, so thank you a lot for trusting me to send first. And let me go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Okay, hold my phone down. Feels like... I want to see how to do this. Oh, there. Sorry about that, guys. It was really hard to open. But, yeah, 1 second. Let me go ahead and cut this. Yeah, I don't want to cut anything, so... yeah, and I have the little Oak Wheels read this. Pretty sweet. And here are the Oak Wheels. It's going to be in really nice condition. Actually, great condition. So yeah, those are my Oak Wheels. And hold on 1 second. Omer, like I said, I already had the money, and I'm not going to show you. Okay, Omer, this is your money, and you will be getting this. I'm sorry I have to ship it on Monday because the post office is already closed, and tomorrow's Sunday, but I promise you'll get your money, $25. And here's what I have left in my trade. I have my rare Homewood M1 engraved set. Really want to trade that for like a G12 wide or a G13 if possible. And here's the Black River trucks. Yeah, really nice condition. And just have rip tape listings on them. Yeah, I want to trade. I don't know if you guys think I'm stupid or not, but yeah, I just want to trade the hangers for colored hangers. I don't feel the need in trading a whole pair, but yeah. Or I'll trade for Y trucks, or I'll sell them for 45 shipped, cash and mail. And it's got like a little bag of tuning tool. So yeah, that's it. And thank you.